Super funny.
That.
What? Oh,
Give me that.
who's this?
Mine.
Actually, it was mine.
I opened the chest.
I grabbed it out of the chest. It was in my inventory.
Yay!
Dude, I'm trying to pick up the damn weapon.
I'm
Oh shit! Shooting!
yeah.
Shooting!
Where?
Yeah. See ya! Oh!
What are you doing?
Fucking immature little kids.
As soon as Uncle John jumped up in the zip line, I just...
Yay!
Up there.
How'd you get on that?
I jumped on top of the rock.
You can do that?
Yes. I jumped on top of the rock, and then I jumped on top of the...
This is gonna be. I'm getting ready to save this. I'm getting ready to save this. First of all, he can't even jump on the rock.
Dad,
Jump.
come here. Watch, Dad.
Yeah, do it. Jump. Wrong way.
No, it's not.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm pretty sure you went the wrong way. You literally went into the zone.
Can you come help me?
No, they're just shooting at me.
Shoot back!
I can't. I'm on the bottom of the mountain.
Why'd you go that way?
Because the storms are.
No. You literally went right into the storm.